This is Reporter Room with Jessica Della Davies.
Hello, Reporter Room investigators. I'm coming to you about a Cessna plane crash that occurred today. Let's get into the details. This is another plane crash. This one was in midair, and two people unfortunately passed during this. It was two small planes. I'm going to show you the debris in just a second. One is a Cessna 172S and a Lancair 360 MK2. They crashed at around 8:28 a.m. local time. Both airplanes had people on board. The Cessna 172S and the Lancair 360 MK collided. The Cessna landed uneventfully while the other aircraft impacted terrain near the other runway, and a quote post-impact fire happened. The Federal Aviation Administration called the airport an uncontrolled field. This means that it doesn't have an operating air tower, so each person is responsible for their own aircraft. We have had a string of aviation incidents. You can see this is the wreckage of the plane. Unfortunately, there were two fatalities. I do not have sound with this, but you can clearly see that the plane looks like it caught fire. The wreckage looks charred. A lot of people have been wondering what is going on. How come we're having all of these crashes? So we do have two people that have been confirmed as no longer with us. The Marana Police Department confirmed on Facebook on Wednesday that two people were confirmed dead, and both planes were smaller fixed-wing, single-engine planes. This happened at around 8:25 a.m. on Wednesday. There were two people aboard each plane, according to the FAA, and this is an uncontrolled airfield, meaning it does not have an air traffic control tower. Now, the FAA has classified this particular crash as a quote general aviation incident, which covers private planes and is different from commercial aviation. The National Transportation Safety Board said in a social media post that it was investigating this mid-air collision. I will bring you more information as we learn more, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you to our producers, members, for allowing me to report on some of these smaller plane crashes. This is the third plane crash I've covered on this channel. I will be continuing to cover them. My heartfelt sympathies to the loved ones of the two people who passed away. I will continue to bring you updates on this airplane crash. This is Jessica Della Davies from Reporter Room, signing off.